In Nigeria, people get lawyers to do virtually everything for them. And many of these things are even things that they can easily do for themselves without necessarily having to pay a lawyer. And they end up keeping your money and also getting it done even sometimes faster. Do you know that things like getting a CFO, things like, registering your CAC can be done by you, even writing your without you necessarily getting a lawyer. But because most times lawyers are assumed to understand the processes, we tend to allow them to do that. It's good to do that because at least you're handing over your brief to somebody who you feel at least understand the processes and wouldn't miss anything out. But the truth here is there's so many things that we take to the lawyers that we don't really need to, that we can get done by ourselves. So in this video, I have outlined a couple of things that you don't really need a lawyer for. You can begin to do for yourself right now. And I also show you the places where you can go to get them done. So if you're interested in knowing those things, I will teach you. My guarantee is that you will get to know the things that you can do for yourself faster, get to know the things that you actually need a lawyer for, and then you can begin on the right path. So here are some of those things that you don't really need a lawyer for. In business and corporates, you don't need a lawyer to register a business name on the CAC portal. Just go to the CAC website and register your business name. It's very straightforward and simple. You don't need a lawyer to file annual returns for your business name either, so you can do that by yourself. Everything is open there on the portal. And also, you don't need a lawyer to get a trade permit or licenses and NAFDAC approvals and processes. You don't need a lawyer for that either. In land and property, you don't need a lawyer to pay for your land use charge or your ground rent. You don't need a lawyer either to request a land search at the Ministry of Lands. You can do that. Walk into the Ministry of Lands and get to request for the search to be done. It will be done for you. You don't need also a lawyer to do CFO or to to apply for your certificate of occupancy of your property. Just walk into the Ministry of Lands and that can be done. In government and administrative, you don't need a lawyer to file a petition, okay, to write or submit a petition to your senator or to your rep. You can walk into the government house and submit as an individual your petition to any assembly member. You don't need a lawyer to file a Freedom of Information bill request. For you to get information, you don't need a lawyer for you to file that. You can walk into the government house and file that by yourself as an individual, and it will be responded to. Also, you don't need a lawyer before you can require a certified true copy of judgments. This is very important. And public documents. You can walk into a court and request for them, and it will be given to you. On personal matters, you don't need a lawyer to write and swear an affidavit at a high court. In fact, most of the affidavits can be done even at the local government, representative offices. They have offices in some of these local governments. You can walk in there and swear your affidavit. You don't need to go to a lawyer to do that. You don't need a lawyer to draft a simple will. A simple will. A will is you making a will. You can easily draft a will and then get it lodged with the probate in your state. You don't need a lawyer to do that for you. Okay? You don't need a lawyer to write petitions or complaints to police or government agencies. You don't need that. You want to go, you can walk into a police station or any government agency and write your petition and submit them there at the front desk. And it should be responded to. If it's not responded to, then you can escalate to the next level. In civil issues and community, you don't need a lawyer You don't need to go through a lawyer to register a cooperative society, for instance, with the Ministry of Commerce and cooperatives. You don't need that. You don't need a lawyer to resolve disputes between in customary courts or traditional leaders. You don't need to resolve disputes through a lawyer. You can go through customary courts and the traditional leaders or mediation panels instead. Okay, you don't need a lawyer to report issues direct to regulators like NERC, NCC, FCPC, SEC, or NDIC. You can walk into their offices and report whatever you want to report. Excuse me. So you don't need lawyers for all of this. But there's a few situations where you may require a lawyer, and which are advisable for you to get lawyers when you have issues like drafting of or signing complex land and business contracts. You understand what I mean? There are some contracts that are complex. They are not just straightforward. There are some contracts that are just one-page contract. I buy from you, you sell to me, and we sign. This is the amount we agree, and that's the end. But there are some contracts that are complex. Okay? In such kind of complex contracts, especially if it's a business contract or land-related contracts, especially, okay, it's important to get a lawyer to help you draft that, to help you put in the things that are needed, because there are some things that you will overlook, but which are very, very important to make such contracts binding. Okay. So another situation where you will need to get a lawyer is when there are serious criminal cases. You should get a lawyer. Don't treat serious criminal cases on your own. Don't even just get advice of your friend. Go to a legal practitioner, okay, to give you legal advice. Okay, they'll give you legal advice about those criminal cases, and they will help you handle it. All right. So then you will also need lawyers when you are dealing with corporations. Not when you're dealing with individuals, you can write agreements with one another. But when you're dealing with corporate institutions or corporations like limited, PLCs, and so on, conglomerates, you should make sure that all your correspondence are through a lawyer. Okay, that way it will add more value to your arguments, and also it will make sure that they respond to you duly. You should also get a lawyer when you have high value estate planning. Okay, when you engage in high value estate planning, like in wills, trusts, and inheritances. I'm not just talking about somebody have left behind 1 million naira. I'm talking about people who leave behind trusts, people who leave behind, wills that needs to be managed. You should get a lawyer too. But you know that you have a very large estate, not just one house, two houses. You should get a lawyer to do those kind of wills for you. I said that you don't really need a lawyer to write wills. That's the simple wills. But there are some wills that are very can be considered as high level. You should get a lawyer to do that for you. Don't just do that on your own. Okay. And then you will also need lawyers to represent you in higher courts. If you have matters that requires to go to court, get a lawyer. Don't think you can represent yourself. Okay. It's better that you get a lawyer who will go and represent you in court. All right. Don't forget this disclaimer. This is material is only for educational purposes. It's not legal advice. We are not lawyers. We are not a legal firm, but we give legal education, and this is just information for you to be able to make quality decisions. But when you have to take legal actions or you need legal advice, please consult a lawyer. Ensure you consult a lawyer. If you need a lawyer and you can't get one immediately, we can help. We have a robust database of lawyers that we are working with, and we can easily direct you to them. Don't forget, this video or this material is not from a law firm. We are not a law firm. It's just a legislative service center, and we do not provide legal advice or representation. Our services are limited to civil education, legislative research, policy advocacy, and community support. Okay, if you require legal representation, please, we encourage you to consult a licensed legal practitioner. If you can't get one, we can recommend or connect you with very qualified lawyers who can help you. All right, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Please subscribe and hit the notification button so that you can get to know when we drop the next video. Until then, this is Oscar saying